In this video, I will show you how to get days between two dates by ignoring years in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some start and end dates in these columns. Now I want to get the days between these dates by ignoring the years between them. For example, for the first row, the day difference between these two dates will be 10 days if we ignore the years between them. Similarly, for the third row, the days between two dates will be 1 if we ignore the year values. We can use the Excel DATEDIF function to get the days between two dates. The DATEDIF function returns the number of days, months, or years between two dates. This function accepts three arguments: a start date, an end date, and the unit. The unit argument represents the type of information we want the function to return. Here is a table containing various possible values of the unit argument. The values y, m, and d returns the number of complete years, months, and days between two dates respectively. The value md returns the number of days between two dates and ignores the months and years of the dates. The value ym returns the number of months between two dates and ignores the days and years of the dates. Finally, the value yd returns the number of days between two dates and ignores the years of the dates. Since we want the days between two dates and ignore years, I am going to use the yd unit value. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type DATEDIF followed by an opening bracket. Select the start date as the first argument, type a comma, and then select the end date as the second argument of the DATEDIF function. Type a comma and then type yd in the double quotes as the third unit argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the number of days between two dates by ignoring the year values of the dates. The difference of days between 1st January 1980 and 11th January 2024 is 10 days if we ignore the year values. Similarly, the days between 1st June 1987 and 1st June 2024 are 0 because they are the same dates if we ignore the years. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.